My name is Visweshwar from Marri Laxman Institute of Technology and Management from CSC department. Today, I am going to discussing about the character set. The character set in C language can be grouped into the following categories. Okay, so special characters, letters, digits, and white spaces. Okay, first discussing about the letters. Okay, letters are that is the alphanumerical values. That means alphabets, that is uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Uppercase letters are capital A to capital Z. Next lowercase letters are small a to small z. Next digits are 0 to 9. Next one is the white spaces. White spaces are used to formatting the to formatting of printing the data. Here white spaces are blank space, new line, horizontal tab, next carriage return, form feed. Okay, blank spaces are represented like this. Next horizontal tab represented /t. Next carriage return represented of /r. Next new line represented /n. Next form feed represented /f. Okay, here blank space it gives the space, some space. Next horizontal tab is used to give the space tab. Next carriage return is used to return cursor move on to the first line. Next /n cursor move on to the next line. Next one is the special character sets. The special character sets are like a comma, semicolon, next double quotes, next ash, next question mark, next exclamation mark, vertical bar, slash, forward slash, backward slash, next tilde, okay, underscore, ampersand, caret, hyphen, next plus, less than, greater than, minus, next open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open brace, close brace, next right bracket, left bracket, next right brace, next number sign. Okay, next topic is identifiers. Okay, identifiers are refers the name of variables, function name, and also refers to the array names. Okay, here we are following some rules. Okay, the rules for identifiers are the first character must be on a alphabets, that is the A to Z. Okay, the must contain only alphabetics, digits, and underscore. Next, first 63 characters are most significant. Next, cannot be a duplicate a keyword. Next, usually the identifiers in the C system library start with an underscore, not an application program. Okay, the last rules says that name create cannot be a keyword. Okay, identifier name cannot be a keyword. Okay, keywords are reserved words. Next, C language contain the 37 keywords. That is the 37 keywords. For example, int, char, float, double, auto. Next, else, for, go to, while, do while, storage classes. Storage classes are auto, static, external registers. Next, if, next inline, return, struct, union. These all are the keywords. Okay. The first character identifiers. For example, identifier refers the variable names. Here, A is the identifier. Okay, the first character must be an A alphabet. Okay. Next, the digits not followed by the characters. For example, 1 to A. This is not a valid identifier. This is the valid identifier. Okay. Next, here identifiers begin with underscores. Okay. Now underscore A. This is a valid identifier. Okay. Next, A12. Okay. These are followed by the characters. Now it is a valid identifier. Okay. Next, the underscore is used in identifier. It make the descriptive. Okay, for example, the name contain the multiple words. It make it as a the underscore make it as a easier to read. Okay, an identifier must start with the underscore. Must start with a letter or underscore. It it may not have any space or hyphen. Okay. Next, C is the case sensitive language. Here, valid names, valid identifiers. Okay. A is the valid. Okay. Student underscore name, it is a valid. Underscore A system name is a valid. Next, boolean is a valid. Okay. Int main is a valid. Okay. Here, this is the case sensitive language. So you can use the uppercase letters and also use the lowercase letters. Okay. Next, here special characters are not allowed in the identifier name. Here we are using the special character, that is the dollar sign. It is a invalid. Okay. Next, digits also use digits also cannot be used in the first character. Okay. It is not a valid identifier. Next, some hyphen shall be. It is also a not valid identifier. Here, this is the hyphen is the special character. Special characters are not used in a identifier name. Next, space also not allowed in identifier name. Next, here keyword also not used as a identifier name. Okay, keyword also not used as a identifier name. Next topic is the data types. They are expressed in the language syntax in form of declaration for memory location or variables. Data types are categorized into the four types, that is the primary data types, user defined data types, derived data types, and void type. Okay, first here data types in C++. Primary data types are, for example, integer, character, boolean, floating point, double floating point, void, and void characters. Next, these are the predefined data types. Primary data types means nothing but a predefined data types. These predefined data types are defined in the libraries. Okay, in system library. Next, derived data types. It is derived from the another type. Okay, that is the function is the derived data type. Okay, array is also a derived data type. Pointer also a derived data type. Next, reference also a derived data type. Remaining data types are user defined data types. Here, user defined data types are structure is the user defined data type. Union also user defined data type. Next, enum. Next, class also a user defined data type. Next one is the type def, enum, union, structure. These all are the user defined data types. This is defined by the user. Next, data types. A type define a set of values and set of operations. Okay, that can be applied those values. Okay, for example, we can a light switch can be compared with the computer type. Here it has a set of two values, that is the on and off. Okay, only two operations can be applied in the light switch, that is the on and off, turn on and turn off. Next, the C language has the different set of operations, set of types that can be divided into the four general categories. That is the primary data type, derived data types, user defined data types, void. Okay. Next, primary data types. Here C types. Okay, C types. Here void is the void. Next, integral. Next, boolean. Again, integral as of boolean type, character type, integer type. Next, floating points are real and imaginary and complex. Next one is the derived data types. Next, void type. The void type designated by the keyword, that is the void. There is a no values. It has the no values, which is mainly used in the functions and pointers. Okay. Next, integral type. Next, the C language has three integral types. That is the boolean, next character, and integer. Okay. Next, integral type cannot be a fractional part numbers. Okay. It can contain the whole numbers. Okay. Integral type cannot contain a fractional part. They are the whole numbers. Next, boolean. Okay, with the release of C99, the C languages incorporated Boolean data types named French mathematician, that is the George Boolean. Okay, a Boolean data type represented only two values, that is the true and false. Okay, the Boolean two values are true means true is nothing but a 1, false is nothing but a 0. Okay, next one is the character. To computer, character is any value that can be represented in the computer alphabet set as bit, or it's better known as the character set. C standard provide two character types, that is the char and double char T. Thank you.